Good evening, Miss Meg. Yes, you pretty girl. What do you think? Do you want to have a candied apple? The apple treats and the Twizzlers? That's my girl. You're like, that's so tasty. Mwah. No boopies? Boop. There you go. Yes, you make a good job of slobbering all over me. Another one. Num num num. And what do you think? Last one? No? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's get this peppermint all covered in apple gumminess. Yummy, nummy, sticky stuff. Yes. Is that good? You've got a wild hairdo going on right now, don't you? Mwah. Thank you, girl. All right. Oh, hi. You're like halfway across the hallway here. I mean, literally, dude. You're halfway across the hallway from your girl. Trying to stretch out and get all the goodies. I hear you over there, Miss Dear. Give me a sec. There you go. Is that good stuff? Yeah, I know. I was so mean. I made you eat your grain first. Oh, I know it. Just an evil person. Let's see if we can get this covered in all kinds of goodness. So it's apple encrusted peppermints. Is that good stuff? Ooh, crunchy. You like that? Mwah. Good job. All right, my dear. It's your turn. Oh, can you please put your ears forward? No? You're going to give kisses first? Mwah. All right. There you go, sweetheart. Good gracious. Say, Daddy still got the fan going, huh? Yes, I know. There you go. I think I shortchanged somebody. There you go, baby girl. So it was kind of a humid day, but then we had storms. You gonna play with that? Come on, out here. There you go. And let's get yours covered in apple stuff for your peppermint. See your peppermint? There you go. Oh, good crunchies. I know, I still have apple treats because we've got quite a few. Nom 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 nom. Okay, come on, give kisses. Mwah. Thank you, dear. I love you. Oh, are you giving me kisses? Yes, I know. That must taste good.